probably 30 volumes in the next, what, 10 years?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how many I'll have. Nevertheless, it starts now. This is an effort by the church to publish these volumes without difficulties, if possible, and so that the church can have a continual publication about what it's doing, and it can be then viewed by anybody who would like to view it. And its effort is to make it without any problems. You don't have to change things that have taken place. People of the world can look at the book and decide what they want to do about what it says. So it's an effort, I guess you could call it a missionary effort by the church to publish its volumes, the critical volumes that have been published by the church. And they're all going to be under this guy's Joseph Smith Papers. This book is called Journals, Volume 1, 1832 to 1839. People who are publishing these books are mentioned in the beginning here. If I can find the right page here. Called the Joseph Smith Papers, Journals, Volume 1, 1832 to 1839. Does anybody know what that means? Journals. They're Joseph Smith's journals, published by him, published by the church. There are periods of time when he's making the journal every day. There are periods of time when it may not be published for a year. Nevertheless, there are journals by Joseph Smith, so that we have Dean C. Jesse, Ronald K. Esplin, Richard Lyman Bushman. Anybody know Richard Lyman Bushman?
Lincoln. Lincoln.
He wrote Rough Stone Rolling.
He wrote The Rough Stone Rolling. It's the story of Joseph Smith's history. What did you read it?
About half of it.
What did you think of it?
Well, it's very candid. The parts that I've read about it have been really interesting. There have been a lot of things that I've learned that I didn't know about Joseph Smith before. So,
Okay.
but I haven't gotten through all of it, President.
Well, anyway, so these books are an effort on the part of the church to publish its doctrine so that people can view it, read it, and decide what they think about it. And it's going to try to do away with all the questions about Joseph Smith and what he did. So it's interesting to read it. I read through this book, and there's probably, to start with, there are maybe 60 pages telling about Joseph Smith's history and what he did and what he wrote down in these journals. So this project's been going on since about 2000. So people have been working on it for nearly 10 years now. So the first book appeared last year, and this one contains the journal history of Joseph Smith and what he wrote down as history. And so you have an actual occurrence of the things that took place in his life, talking about the various things that he received. Now, it doesn't start until 1832. When was Joseph born?
1806?
1805. 1805, and then how old was he when he had his first vision? 14?